everyone. I'm Congressman Khalid Quibranza Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte.
Ug ako si Siti Amina Quibranza Dimaporo, Congresswoman of the 2nd District of Lanao del Norte.
For this year, 2023, we are bringing back a very successful Kapatid sports program from last year, and that's the Kapatid 3-on-3 basketball tournament.
Naanapod namo gigawas ang trophy kung kinsay nakadaog sa last year ang 2nd District. Pero karon tanaw na pod nato if we can get it back or waon ba to sa 1st District.
I'd like to call on yung mga municipalities ko sa 1st District, ang lungsod ng Bacolod, Maigo, Kulambugan, Tubod, Baroy. Kayo ang pag-asa ko para makuha namin itong trophy this year.
Ug tawagon nako og balik ang Lala, Kapatagan, SND, Salvador, Sapad para maglaban na podta. Ipabilin nato ning trophy diri sa atua.
May deadline tayo, and that's October 23 to finalize the list of teams para sa 3-on-3 Kapatid basketball tournament.
Tanan nga mga barangay from the 10 municipalities, we hope that you guys can submit your registration forms on time. So it will be all-out support and Kapatid style 1st District versus 2nd District.
See you in the Kapatid 3-on-3 basketball tournament.